Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. This guide will walk you through the steps using your Uconnect system, making it simple to keep your time accurate. We'll cover accessing the main menu, navigating to the clock settings, and making precise adjustments. You'll have your clock set correctly in just a few moments, ready for your next drive. To begin, look for the settings icon on your Uconnect touchscreen display. It's usually a gear-shaped symbol. Once you tap that, you'll see a menu with various options. Navigate through these options to find either system or directly clock settings. Select the appropriate option to move forward. This step is crucial for accessing the time adjustment features within your vehicle's system. Now that you're in the clock settings, you'll see options to adjust the hour and minute. Use the plus and minus buttons to precisely set the current time. If your system uses a 12-hour format, remember to select AM or PM correctly. You might also find an option to enable or disable automatic daylight, saving time adjustments. Make your selections carefully to ensure your clock is perfectly synchronized. After making all your adjustments, take a moment to double-check that the displayed time is exactly correct. Most Jeep Grand Cherokee Uconnect systems will automatically save your changes as you exit the clock settings menu. There's usually no separate save button to press. Once you've confirmed everything, simply navigate back to your main screen. Your clock is now accurately set, ready for your travels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.